Okay, so a little bit of a different video. So Charlie has... Oh, you're so cute. Charlie has chicken pox. I didn't realise what it was yesterday, so I put on the Channel Mum forum, and everyone was like, chicken pox, oh my goodness, chicken pox. He is covered. He's got it all over his face. You see? Oh, there's spotties. I'll insert some photos right here. So yeah, it's not great. I'm going to be stuck in the house now for a week. But it's okay because we've got the Easter holidays coming up. So we're going to spend a lot of time together. Mama. Yeah, so he's being really, really cuddly. He's actually had a temperature. He hasn't been very well. He's completely off his food. He's not eating. He's literally eaten like half a Nutri-Grain bar for breakfast. And that was because he wouldn't eat like cereal or jam sandwiches or like grapes or anything, so he's literally not eating any food. But yeah, so we're kind of just we're just chilling, we're just having a cuddle. My lazy spa is on its way. They've just phoned me to say they're going to be here in an hour, maybe slightly less, so I'm so excited for that. Hi ladies. Okay, it's the next day and Charlie has literally got the worst chicken pox I've ever seen. So basically we went to the pharmacist yesterday because I don't know what doctors are like, and they're like, we don't always need to see them. You can see a pharmacist. There's like a advert going around at the moment on the TV in England saying, oh, you have to, you know, go see your pharmacist first because they're really good and they can help you, and you don't always need doctor's advice and wasting their time. So I was like, fine, I'll go. And the pharmacist took one look at him, like standing across the other side of the room, like he's got like rabies or something. And he was like, yeah, I think it's chicken pox. Go see your doctor. He didn't want to commit at all. It was really funny. So anyway, I went to see the doctor and straight away she was like, yeah, absolutely, chickenpox. So then Matt met us at the doctor's surgery, took the boys home. I then went to Asda and picked up a load of food because I'd literally not got any food in. Because I got home late from work in the evening and Matt was like, oh, I think he's got chickenpox. So I hadn't been shopping because obviously I was going to go the next day type thing. But obviously I can't take him out. So I did that and I got some calamine lotion and I put it on before we went to bed. I put it on him and within about an hour he'd woken up and he was crying and he was itching and I was like, oh my god, this is awful, like this has made it worse, like this is really drying his skin out. So we got him in the bath and moisturised him, and then he was crying and crying and crying. He was really upset, didn't want his milk, so we had about an hour where, you know, like when you go through that newborn stage where they just like cry and they don't want anything, and it's like, oh my god, there was literally like that last night. Got to bed about 10:30. I was absolutely exhausted. But yeah, so he has got really bad chickenpox, guys. So if you've got any hints and helpful tips or anything, please leave them in the comments down below. I'm literally beside myself. I rung up Scratch Leaves and I was like, I need to order some Scratch Leaves right now. When can you get them out to me? And they're like, Corrine, it's fine. Just literally put your order in now. We will send them to you straight away. The post doesn't come on a Friday, but you should get them on Saturday. And I was like, thank you so much. So yeah, I've ordered some pyjama tops and some just regular Scratch Leaves to go on during the day because he's tearing his skin apart. So yeah, please leave me helpful tips and stuff down below because Harry literally had like 3 on his back when we first got chickenpox, so I literally don't know what to do. But yeah, I'll insert some photos and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies.